Imported. Buckle closure. 7 shoulder drop. Incase DSLR nylon sling pack, Incasae 1-year limited warranty. Fits DSLR cameras, additional lenses and flash kits. Padded notebook compartment fits iPad or 11 MacBook Air. Sling design allows quick access to camera and gear without removing pack. Multiple internal pockets for small devices and accessories. Top reviews from the United States. Just received the bag today. I am a beginning photography hobbyist. Slight fella about 5'8" and $1.50 lol. Was looking for a compact bag that I could use on the go, for urban shots or basic landscape shots that didn't scream photography bag that would carry my Nikon D3400 and a small electronic tablet like a Samsung Tab A 9.7 in or iPad Pro 10.1 for which I will likely pick up in the future. Looks very much like a messenger bag sling. Clean simple lines. Quality and build seem very good. Padding on the inside is sufficient, not thick but enough for its size. The straps are firmly sewn on, and has the added bonus of it being quick release like a seatbelt smiley face. Bag has enough rough for my little DSLR with a 18-55 lens attached. Could probably hold another zoom lens, maybe 18-200, and another smaller lens with other small accessories. The bag has a nice little dedicated zippered pocket for a 11 tablet at max. Haven't tested that yet. If you want something low-key looking to carry around as a sling for those casual photo outings, this bag fits the bill smiley face.